A disaster that could strike at any moment. Beneath the streets of New York City lies over 10,000 kilometers of aging pipes and gas lines, many of which are over 100 years old. Rust is slowly eating them away. In 2014, a corroded gas pipeline exploded, leveling buildings and shaking entire neighborhoods. Experts warn that this could happen again, on an even bigger scale. Imagine an explosion beneath Times Square. The estimated cost to fix everything? Over $1.50 trillion, but the pipes are still rusting. Hit like if you had no idea about this. Comment, rust. I'll reply to everyone.